Here are 5 powerful things you can do with Canva AI, tools designed to save time, boost creativity, and level up your real estate content. Let's dive in. Need to write a listing description that sounds polished and professional? With Canva AI, you just type what you need, like a 4-bedroom luxury home with lake views. Wait for a minute or so, then it gives you a well-written description. Plus, it even suggests a matching graphic design to post alongside your copy. If you don't like the design it generated for you, you can ask for different examples, then adjust to your liking. Next, do you want to make your website feel more interactive? Canva code can generate snippets like lead forms or quiz sections you can easily copy and paste into your site. For this example, I asked it to create a mortgage calculator. After waiting for only a few minutes, it was able to create this, which I can then add to my website. Note that it can build a full website, but I prefer to use it for adding high-impact features without the tech stress. When you want to copy the code to paste on your website, you just have to right-click, inspect, scroll to find body class, then copy element, which you can then paste on your website. Need branded visuals fast? Canva AI lets you generate custom images with just a prompt. Try something like, generate a modern flat lay of real estate tools on a white desk. Great for creating polished content, even without a photographer. Just like the other features, you can edit this one too. Need short video clips for your listings or social content? Type in something like 8 seconds of luxury kitchen B-roll, and Canva AI will generate a landscape video you can use right away. You have to wait for around 2 minutes before you get the video. Note, it only supports 16:9 video for now. Perfect for trimming into longer content or website use. Here's the generated video I can definitely use for social media content. Lastly, if you don't have time to make a graphic from scratch, for this example, I asked it to generate a design for a social media post for a new real estate listing with price, location, and one photo. Canva AI can generate a ready-to-use design for things like open houses, announcements, or quick promos. See how there's many options to choose from? What's great about this is you can again edit it to your liking. These are just a few powerful ways you can use Canva AI to simplify your real estate marketing. From writing and coding to custom visuals and B-roll videos, it's like having your own creative assistant 24/7. Ready to try it out? Start exploring, learn it, and save hours.